If you're starting to look at your 3D printing journey and you want to step into multicolour printing without jumping straight into much more expensive systems, I've got to say the Anycubic Kobra X is genuinely a solid place to begin. And while it's not perfect, it's also not trying to pretend to be something it isn't. But it does a lot of things right, and it does them in a way that makes 3D printing more approachable and fun. And honestly, that's exactly what a printer like this should be doing. So well done, Anycubic.
But certainly from an Anycubic perspective, this is an amazing machine, and I think to get into 3D printing for the very first time, or if you're using it on a print farm, I think these are going to be a very, very solid alternative to what you may already have. Now, Anycubic over the last 5 years till now has gone through some very big strategic changes, and I've got to say that these machines are next level for Anycubic, so well done for that.